Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video of BullancePrime. In this video I'm going to share with you the latest update about the gold trading in this video today. So before sharing this video, I'm going to request you, if you're watching our channel, you can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update like this type of video. So first let's go back to the gold trading chart one there. So as you can see, I have opened this gold USDT, which is xauusd, you can say whatever. So as you can see, the trading this chart is going one there. If we see this chart of this, it is going this high, higher low and lower low sometime and higher low, and it was market is completely, it was forming a uptrend mode one there. As we see, it is completely an uptrend mode. So we are going to this open a uptrend trade into this area. So this is right now, you can see 1 day time frame. I see that the gold is one uptrend mode. So now I'm gonna see open short this in the 4 hour. In 4 hour we can see this, and when I'm gonna see this in 1 hour time frame. So let's see what is showing in 1 hour. This is gold trading chart. As you can see, this is 1 hour time frame chart. We're watching this gold and you can see that there is a double bottom, this one and this one. There is a double bottom area and you can see this is a W formation is going one there. So we can make it open this buy trade when it is break out this neckline and it was making a retest on this neckline. Then we can place a trade on this area, or we can place this area, or you can make under the stop loss on this area, and we can target the target at least this one. So let's try to understand this what is going on there. So let me first remove all of them. So now I'm gonna draw a line this area first of all. So this is our neckline area and this is our double top area, sorry, double bottom area, and this is our target area. At least this is, because this is, you can see that there is a reaction on there. This area it was calm down and react this area, buyer is activated and then push it, and this is a retest area on this level, the reaction previous, and then it was down. So we're expecting at least before going to the gold down again, and we can see the expecting the big gold should at least come to this area. This is the previous reaction, so we're going to making it. So let's run this and what is going on. Also I will show you there my result also, and that I opened this area. So this is successful. You can see that it is make out, and I'm gonna open this time frame in 15 hours. So if you go to the 15-hour time frame, and you can see there is a clear retest when it was make out. So this is breakout and it was retest and it was going on there. So I place this normally buy order, I place this area. So I'm gonna make it, so this area I place the buy order. So simply I'm gonna placing it in this area, and this support line area I place the buy order, and this is, I'm going to make at least the stop loss at least this candle below, this candle below there, and we can target, this is our reaction area, which is at least we are getting this one, we are getting 1:4.07, 1:4.07. there is a good ratio of the profit and losing ratio there. So this is where we're going to make it, and if we play this out, and we can see that we have successfully hit this our target on this area, we can see this, and we have closed this trade also there. And I'm gonna share with you that what I made into this trade, and this is also or not. So I'm gonna share with you on my XNet details area. There you can see this is the 8 August and this is opening time and this is closing time, and the lot is 0.1 and opening time in this area, and this is price. And you can see we have closed it target into this area, and you can see $18.9 profit in there. So this is how you can do the price action strategy. You can analyze the chart, you can use the chart pattern and price action strategy, you can use them, and you can buy and sell. You can do that your own self, that what is the chart is looking at and what is the price action is going on there. So you can make your own decision like this way by analyzing the chart, and you can make your own decision. You can buy or sell, you can plan this trading before going to make the reaction. You have to plan this and you have to make an action into there. So this is how you can see that how I made this gold trade, and I also share with you that the signal, the profit ratio also. If people has been joining into my Telegram channel, they can see that I've already posted this area when I make this trading open this area gold, and this is, you can see I have posted this target hit it already successfully. So this is, you can follow us also at Telegram channel to get the latest update. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you enjoy this video and if you want to learn something about this video, so you can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update like this type of video.